Hey folks, Cameron here from Australia Kava Shop. For the past month or so, we've been giving the Aluball Kava Shaker a real workout in-house, and we love it. It's a really efficient way of making kava. Let's have a deep dive and see how it works. Okay, so the Aluball Kava Shaker. Now, the absolute key design feature here is the Aluball itself. Now, Matt and the team at Kava Fight over in the US developed this a number of years ago with the specific intent of premium kava brewing. What they also added was this really cool little screw top feature, which when you take it off, serves as like a kava shell serving bowl. The proper top, I guess, is important to note is that it's got this gasket which lines around the top there, so when you're shaking you don't get any excess spillage or overflow. Now, if you're as clumsy as me, this is really important. So the shaker itself is made of BPA-free Eastman Triton plastic. Now, you can literally drive over the top of these things without breaking them. Now, the cool thing is that it packs away really neatly, and we're going to now have a look at how to prepare kava with it. Okay, so today we're going to use the Waka Premium Fine Grade, one of our more popular kava powder product lines. We recommend using 2 level tablespoons. That's for Vanuatu strength, and we'll cover that a little bit later. Now, please bear in mind here that I am notoriously messy. That's how 1 tablespoon sits. You can easily fit in 2. Again, depending on the strength that you're after. In this case, we're wanting to replicate a good Vanuatu strength serving. Yeah, told you I was a little bit messy. Okay, and the Aluball just screws on nice and tight so that there's no residual kava powder coming out during the mixing process. Then it's a matter of simply unscrewing the top of the Aluball Kava Shaker. And placing your Aluball inside the shaker. Now, in this example, we're using 300 mils of water, which will give you at least 2 to 2.5 really good size, strong kava serves. Once you've placed your Aluball in the shaker, simply screw it back on, including the shell serve top. Make sure it's nice and tight. That's very important. If you're a messy bugger like me, dust away the kava that you've spilled everywhere and go to town. Simple shaking motion for a couple of minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes of vigorous shaking, you will have your kava ready to go. Now, as you can see, and I know it's difficult to see from here, but it's nice and rich. Like, that's the sort of brew texture and colour that you would normally expect from a 10-minute squeeze. Simply twist off your Aluball Kava top, shaped nicely as a shell. Pour slowly, because the Aluball does tend to blow a little bit of extra kava juice out. And there you have it. Nice rich texture, nice and oily, very strong. There you have it, folks. Quick, clean, easy to use, very compact and super sturdy. Now, in that demonstration, we did a Vanuatu strength mix, which is pretty strong. If you're used to Fiji mixes, obviously add some more water or use less kava powder. If you want to buy one, click on the link below. And as always, for more Australia Kava Shop content, please like and subscribe. See you later.